Rocky! Sino yun? Oh, question na.
What will you do when you're lost?
Mom,
Answer muna. What will you do when you're lost?
You find the guard.
What will you tell the guard?
Guard, I'm lost. Call my mommy. Mommy.
Call my mommy.
What's mommy's number?
915-83-2695.
The guard will ask you, where do you live?
Black 10, Black 44, 8 country, Marco, Cavite.
What will you do when our house is on fire?
You run.
And then you shout,
Sunog.
sunog, sunog.
Sunog. Akala ko fire, fire. Kasi syempre English eh. Sunog, sunog.
Rocky, what,
You
natatawa talaga ako. What will you do when the stranger told you, come with me, I will give you Tomica. Will you come?
No.
No. What will you say? What will you shout? Kidnapper.
Kidnapper. Natawa ako dun sa sunog. Nasa English tayo, naging sunog.
Sabi ni Mimi, what are the months of the year?
January, Cinderella.
Ano Cinderella? Again, months of the year.
January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
Galing. Yay!
Wait.
Oh, sige, play ka na.
Solar system, baka alam na ba yan?
Where's the Eiffel Tower?
In France,
How about the Big Ben?
in London,
How about the Great Wall?
in China,
How about the Eiffel Tower? The Statue of Liberty?
in New York,
New York. Hindi niya kasama mabuti New York.
Galing.
How about the bullet train?
in Japan,
Yes.
and the chocolate.
And chocolate?
Chocolate.
And the chocolate. Oo nga naman.
How about the Chocolate Hills?
How about the chocolate? Wiggle, wiggle, watermelon.
Chocolate with marshmallow.
In Robinson,
Hindi, how about the Chocolate Hills? Where can you find the Chocolate Hills?
and
In the
in
Philippines. Very good. How about the Taj Mahal?
China,
No, Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
India. Kanina ko lang kasi tinuloy yung Taj Mahal eh. How about the pyramid?
in Tattoo,
Pyramid.
in Pyramid,
Where's the pyramid?
in that, in California,
No, pyramid. Egypt.
in Egypt.
Dami niyang toys, oh. Say hi, Tita J.
Hi, Tito J.
Hi, Tita J.
Okay. Bye-bye, Tita J.
Bye bye, Tita J.
What's my name?
Mimi.
Anong pangalan ko?
Mimi. Tita Tony.
Bye-bye.
Tita Ling. Tita Ling.
Tuling.
What's my name?
Tita Bet, Pogi.
Naturuan mo na.
And you, mommy.
Amir!
You, mommy.
Tita Bet, Pogi, you get my new toy.
Oh.
Okay.
Tutusan bigla.
Ginutusan eh, sabi niya eh.